Looking to upgrade your home with smart products that actually make everyday life easier? Then you're in the right place. From cleaning essentials to clever space-saving solutions, today's countdown is packed with gadgets that deliver real value. Every single product featured in this video is linked in the description, so you can check prices and availability anytime. Now, let's jump into the list. Safety doesn't have to make your home look cluttered, and this retractable baby gate proves it. It extends up to 55 inches wide, rolls away neatly when not in use, and features a secure double lock system that's difficult for little hands but easy for adults. It works perfectly for stairs, hallways, patios, and even pets, making it a smart investment for growing families. If you want safer walkways without sacrificing style, this is worth considering. You'll find the purchase link waiting in the description. Would this fit somewhere in your home? Nobody enjoys dragging around a heavy bucket, and that's exactly why this electric PowerMop is such a game changer. Its battery-powered spray system, deep scrubbing pads, and quick-drying cleaning solution help remove sticky messes in far less time than traditional mops. It's lightweight, simple to use, and safe for multiple floor types, making everyday cleaning much easier. If saving time while keeping spotless floors sounds good, this one deserves a place in your home. Check the link below in the description for more details. Is this the cleaning upgrade you've been looking for? Cleaner air can completely change the feel of your home, and this purifier is built to do exactly that. With triple layer filtration, it captures dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, and odors while covering rooms up to 1,000 square feet. The intelligent auto mode adjusts itself based on air quality, and the whisper quiet sleep mode keeps it running without disturbing your rest. It's an excellent choice for allergy sufferers, pet owners, or anyone wanting fresher air every day. You can grab yours through the link provided in the description. Would you add an air purifier like this to your home? If you're still wringing out a mop by hand, it's time for an upgrade. The O-Cedar EasyWring system features a foot pedal spin bucket that lets you control moisture without touching dirty water. Its 360-degree rotating microfiber head easily reaches corners, under furniture, and along baseboards while removing over 99% of bacteria using just water. It's reusable, easy to maintain, and built to make floor cleaning faster and more comfortable. If you want professional-level results with less effort, this is an excellent pick. You'll find its link waiting for you in the description. Could this become your new favorite cleaning tool? Even everyday bathroom tools can be smarter, and this compact 2-in-1 cleaning set proves it. Combining a sturdy toilet brush and powerful plunger into one sleek holder, it saves valuable space while keeping your bathroom organized. The extended handles improve comfort and hygiene, while durable bristles make cleaning the bowl easier without excessive effort. It's affordable, practical, and an essential upgrade for every household. If you're replacing old bathroom accessories, this one is definitely worth checking out. The product link is available in the description below for easy access. Would you add this space-saving solution to your bathroom? Running out of outlets is one of the most common home frustrations, and this 12-in-1 power strip solves it in style. With 8 AC outlets for USB ports including 2 USB-C and a 10-foot flat cord, it powers all your devices while staying neatly tucked behind furniture. Built-in surge protection keeps your electronics safe, and the wall-mountable design makes it perfect for home offices, bedrooms, and dorms. If you want a cleaner, more organized charging setup, this is an easy upgrade. You'll find the buying link in the description below. How many devices would you plug into this at once? Protecting your mattress is much cheaper than replacing it, and this waterproof mattress protector does the job without sacrificing comfort. Its soft microfiber surface feels smooth and noiseless, while the waterproof TPU layer shields against spills, sweat, and everyday accidents. The deep pocket design fits mattresses securely, and the breathable fabric helps you stay cool all night. It's an excellent choice for families, pet owners, or anyone who wants to extend the life of their mattress. If you'd like to check it out, the product link is available in the description. Would you trust a waterproof protector like this on your bed? Scrubbing your bathroom by hand can be exhausting, but this cordless electric scrubber makes the job dramatically easier. With powerful spinning speeds for interchangeable brush heads and an adjustable extension handle, it cleans tubs, tiles, showers, walls, and even floors without forcing you to bend or kneel. The waterproof design and long-lasting rechargeable battery make it perfect for deep cleaning sessions. If you want faster results with far less effort, this gadget is definitely worth adding to your cleaning routine. You can find the direct product link down in the description. Which area of your home would you clean first? Want your home to smell like a luxury hotel every single day? This waterless scent diffuser uses advanced cold air nano diffusion technology to spread pure essential oils throughout rooms up to 1,000 square feet without heat or messy water. With 6 fragrance intensity levels, a convenient remote control, built-in timers, and whisper quiet operation, it creates the perfect atmosphere for relaxing, working, or entertaining guests. If you're ready to give your home a premium upgrade, this is a fantastic choice. The product link is waiting for you in the description below. Which scent would you try first in your home? Wrinkled clothes can ruin a great outfit, but this portable garment steamer gets you looking sharp in just minutes. Its powerful 700-watt heating system produces continuous steam that smooths out wrinkles on everything from cotton to delicate fabrics without needing an ironing board. The large 240 milliliters water tank, lightweight design, and long power cord make it ideal for both home use and travel. If you want crisp, fresh-looking clothes with minimal effort, this gadget is definitely worth owning. You'll find the purchase link down in the description. Would you replace your traditional iron with this handy steamer? Keeping food fresh while reducing waste is easier than ever with these trusted Ziploc freezer bags. Featuring a stand-up bottom for mess-free filling, a heavy-duty leak-resistant seal, and advanced freezer protection, they're perfect for meal prep, leftovers, bulk groceries, and frozen meats. Built to help prevent freezer burn and keep food tasting fresh for weeks, these bags are a simple way to save both money and storage space. If you love staying organized in the kitchen, this is an easy recommendation. The product link is available in the description below. What would you store in these bags first? Most homeowners don't think about cabinet leaks until expensive damage appears, and this waterproof silicone mat helps prevent that problem before it starts. Its raised edges contain spills, protect cabinets from moisture, and keep cleaning supplies neatly organized. Made from durable food-grade silicone, it's easy to wipe clean, dishwasher safe, and even works as a pet feeding mat or boot tray. It's one of those affordable upgrades that can save you money in the long run. You'll find the direct purchase link waiting in the description. Would you install one under your kitchen or bathroom sink first? Bring the experience of a professional bar right into your home with this complete 15-piece cocktail shaker set. Crafted from premium stainless steel, it includes everything you need to mix classic cocktails, mocktails, iced coffee, and more while keeping every tool neatly organized on a stylish wooden stand. It's durable, elegant, beginner-friendly, and even includes a recipe guide to help you create impressive drinks with confidence. If you enjoy entertaining guests or experimenting with new beverages, this kit is definitely worth checking out. You can grab yours through the link in the description. Which drink would you make first with this set? Every home deserves a reliable toolbox, and this 39-piece CARTMAN kit gives you everything you need for everyday repairs in one compact case. From hanging picture frames and assembling furniture to tightening loose screws and handling quick DIY projects, this set has you covered. The heat-treated steel tools are built for dependable performance, while the lightweight storage case keeps everything organized and easy to carry. Whether you're moving into a new home, apartment, or dorm, this is a smart investment you'll use again and again. If you'd like to add it to your toolkit, you'll find the product link in the description. Which repair project would you tackle first with this set? Why settle for an ordinary desk lamp when you can have a complete workstation upgrade? This multifunctional LED desk lamp combines adjustable eye care lighting with 3 AC outlets and 4 USB ports, including 2 USB-C connections, so you can power multiple devices without extra adapters. Its stepless brightness control, adjustable color temperature, foldable design, and memory function make it perfect for studying, working, reading, or gaming. If you're looking for a cleaner, smarter, and more productive workspace, this gadget is an easy recommendation. You can check today's price through the link provided in the description. Would this become the centerpiece of your desk setup? Those were 15 incredible home gadgets that can make everyday life more convenient, organized, and efficient. Whether you're upgrading your cleaning routine, improving your workspace, or adding smart solutions around the house, there's something here for everyone. Remember, every single product featured in this video is linked in the description, so be sure to check them out before they're gone. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which gadget was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.